This is the slider, and it resides within the page, above the feeds, and is always on first tab. Users can use the slider to display messages, videos, and feeds. For this example, let's create a new feed for the slider. To do this, first click on the slider tab within your dashboard, and then click Create New. The tab name is what appears on the slider, and it is recommended to keep it as short as possible. For this example, let's call it Slider Tab 8. Name is purely used for internal management purposes and is not visible to front-end users. Give your slider feed a name that makes it easy to find on your slider list. For this, let's label it Slider Tab 8 as well. Then, use the tab drop-down to select which tab you want the slider feed to be on. For this example, let's set it to Tab 8. Note, if you choose the same tab for a slider message, video, or feed, they will cycle on page refresh within that tab position. Sliders have a maximum of 8 tabs, but there is no limit to the amount that can be set to 1 tab. On Post To, select the pages you want to post the slider feed to. For this example, we will post it to page 1. Then, select Feed as the slider type. To use the feed option, users can choose to stream an RSS feed by either entering the feed URL or searching for the feed by typing the publisher or feed name. For this example, let's use the search option. Simply search for the publisher name by typing it. So in this example, let's look for Ted's YouTube channel feed. Then scroll down and then just click on the name to set it. Finally, set the schedule for the slider feed. In this example, we will run it indefinitely. Then, hit Save to create your new slider feed. So now if I go back to my page and I refresh, I will now see the new slider feed I created on tab 8 of the slider. And there it is. Note, if nothing is created for the slider, it won't activate. It only appears when a message, video, or feed has been created. And that's how you create a slider feed.